Welcome back to 15th Street Automotive. Looking at a 2003 Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 cranks but won't start. Customer states will click and crank but not turn over. Obviously that means it won't start. So we'll test this thing for what it's missing and figure it out, get it fixed. So you heard it turn over. It turns over nice even cadence, so it's not like a compression problem. Sounds like it has good compression, but there's not even a hint of fire. So we'll check for spark. We're going to check injector noise, and we'll go from there. Alright, you saw that there was no spark. We're going to do the same through the ignition or injector noid. So we'll pull an injector connector off. They're super easy to get to right here. And we have a noid light that will stick in the middle there. And you should be able to see that. If it flashes, you'll be able to see it. Alright, so we have no coil signal and we have no injector signal. Let's make sure we have power to their injector. Okay, there's our noise. Let's turn the key on. Now we should have power on one of these and a ground signal on the other. There's our power. We can do the same to this coil here. Should have power on one of these. There's power. So we have a power to everything. And we're not getting a ground signal. So, next thing to check is make sure we have a crank sensor signal. Alright, so we are in the top-down Toyota Corolla. It's all set up. Let's see if we got any fault codes in here. See if maybe it set a code. This check engine light was not on. Well, but it doesn't start, so there's no DTCs. Let's go back here to read data stream. What I want to see is if we have a engine RPM. Because that comes right off the crank sensor. Vehicle speed, I don't see engine speed unless I passed it. Engine speed. Okay, let's check that one. We can graph it here. So let's see, crank it here. Nope, and now it starts. Huh. Funny. Well, that's odd. But you know what? I disconnected this progressive babysitter out of the ALDL to put my scanner in it, and it started. So I don't know if that has anything to do with it. stranger things have happened. So this is the first time I've encountered a problem with one of these insurance ALDL adapters. They will give the customer a discount on their insurance if they agree to record the way they drive. I mean, I guess if you're okay with it, it's fine, but I suspect what it's doing is it's pulling down the RPM signal, because it's recording all that. It's recording RPM and probably some stuff out of the ABS module as well. It's recording all that, and if it shorts out in there, it's going to pull that RPM signal down and cause a problem. So I've heard it happening. There's a Sean Tipping did a podcast on one of these things causing a problem. So it's the first time I heard it, but there you go. Take it out and the engine starts. So that tells me something. I've had it running here for about a half hour. It's running great. Runs perfect. No codes. It had a P1300 code in it for igniter, but that's just that the coil wasn't reporting back to the igniter that it was running, because the coil wasn't firing. So I'm going to put this in the cup holder and let the customer decide if they want to put it back in, but I don't think that the tow bills are worth the couple dollar discount they're going to get from Progressive. So I'm going to take it around the block, but I'm going to call this one a fix. Not an exciting video, but maybe you can learn something from it. Thanks for watching.